Here we are guys, we're on the patio now. It's the last bit of the poolside to do. We've already got rid of the disgusting water heating tubes and we've just got to lift this patio up and relay the slabs. They've been laid very badly to start with. As you can see, they're totally uneven, they've never been pointed and they're just a mess. So I've started at this end here and we're laying the first row along, and then we'll just lift them as we go and lay the next row and the next row. We use a sharp sand cement mix just to bed them down initially. Then once they're pointed, we're good to go. That's basically it, but there's only another 90 slabs to go. Hi guys, here we are back on the patio. Patio's all laid down now, nice and level. We're just going to give it a few days to settle down, and then we'll still to point it. So we'll point it with a 3-2-1 mix. 3 sand, 2 cement, 1 lime. Brush it in, quite dry, fairly dry. Can dampen it a little bit, but as long as you don't leave marks in the patio. And then we'll get it grouted in. And that should be it.
And then we'll maybe do a power wash.
And then we'll power wash it down.
It's looking good. Right, welcome back. Today we are fitting the rails around the edge of the pool that are going to carry the liner. So you can see the lads doing a wonderful job. Spirit level, absolutely perfect. Preparation is key, yes Liam? And we'll come back later. So this morning, Niall and the lads are putting moquette around the walls and the floor. As a preparation for putting the new liner in. And are we gluing this in?
Yep.
Yep. So they'll be done soon, so I'm on coffee making duty now. So that is the moquette finished. All cut round the skimmers, the drain, everywhere. Beautifully done, and we'll cushion the liner nicely. So, wrinkles are nearly all out. Vacuum is on, sucking the liner into the walls of the pool, and then we've got to do the cutting out for the drain and the skimmers and the things over there, and then we'll see where we go from there. Okay, so we now have water going in the pool, and what level does it have to go to then?
Just below the crease at the end of the tube.
Right.
Behind the liner.
Okay.
Just below the crease.
Welcome back to pool renovation. Now you can see that we have filled the pool now, and what we've done is adjust the pH because the new water was quite high, and we had to reduce that down to 7.2, and the next stage will be to add the chlorine, which will kill the very slight amount of algae that's in there, because this should be really sparkly clean and not have that tiny green tinge in it. And then everything will be getting a real clean down. And Joan has done some work on this ladder, because if you can just see under the water, it's resting against the wall and obviously on top of the liner. and it was free floating. So John has put two galvanized metal stays which rest on the edges here, so that will stop it moving and that will stop the legs rubbing on the liner. So the next video that you'll see, everything will be squeaky clean and possibly someone will be in having a swim. This will be the final video in our pool restoration project, and I think you'll agree with me that it's actually turned out lovely. Just look how clear that is. Beautiful new liner. Beautiful tidied up level patio. Sheet looking lovely. Money well spent.